Yes, ma. What
So
do you?
like we complete just our 10th class. Like we are having a doubt about what is NEET.
Okay,
And we
okay.
are, like we don't know how to apply the process also. Like
Okay.
after completion of 11th and 12th. So if we able to know about NEET process, no, in the starting of 11th classes, so we can prepare accordingly.
Yes. So basically, you wanted to know about the basic idea on NEET preparation. So what are the process for all this NEET UG, right? So yes. So for all these 10th standard students, those who are dreaming for becoming a doctor, so this is the best video where we are providing you the clear-cut content of the basic idea on how can you prepare for your NEET and what are the eligibility criteria, and we will be providing the basic idea on this, and myself Ajay and the Vignesh sir, both of us will be giving you the basic idea on this NEET UG preparation for 2026 and 2027. Okay, so this video is especially in the focusing about 9th 10th students and those who have completed 10th and going for 11th. So this will be very useful for you, so to know the basic guidance, that is what the beginner guidance for NEET UG. Okay, so here we both are going to discuss what exactly NEET UG.
Yes.
Okay, and the next eligibility criteria, and the next purpose of the exam. Next,
registration process, syllabus, and key exam details.
yes, so these are the things first of all we need to know.
Okay.
Then we can move further and we can start our preparation also.
Okay.
Right now,
Yeah.
sir? Yes.
So like could you explain the NEET UG process? Like
Yes.
first, what is NEET UG?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So let us discuss here.
Yeah.
So first of all, NEET UG stands for what it is exactly. NEET means this is a standard. Okay, National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test.
Okay.
So this is for undergraduate program.
Mhm.
Okay, we are also having NEET PG
Okay.
after the completion of this NEET UG. Okay, now, so what it is? It is a national level entrance examination, and this exam NEET UG is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. Okay, so now, so what is the use of it? Yes, so like what is the purpose of it? Here you can see. So these are the like courses you can get into. So once after successful completion of your NEET UG entrance exam, so you can enter into this many courses. Either you can go for MBBS, okay, and you can also go for BDS program, or you can also have some Ayush courses where you will be having BAMS like Ayurvedic, okay, and the next homeopathy, Unani, and like this other courses are there. So you can go to those courses, and also some colleges are also taking for BSc nursing also, okay, and you can also go for this veterinary science. I mean veterinary doctor also you can become like that, sir.
And one more thing is like NEET is only for the medical people. Okay.
Yes,
It's
yes,
not for the engineering. Okay.
Yeah. So for engineering, those who completed 10th standard and looking for best engineering courses, and who are dreaming and who are first of all wanted to know about basic idea on this JEE and NEET,
Okay.
JEE and EAP set. Yes, we will be doing a separate video
Video
for
on
those students. Okay. Now this is exclusively for NEET aspirants.
Yes, sir. So next, if we see the eligibility criteria, no, like criteria is are the requirements of the NEET examination, right? So the nationality is like Indian nationals, NRIs, OCIs, PIOs, and foreign nationals.
Yes.
So the minimum age is like 17 years as of 31st December of the examination year.
Yes.
Like for example, if we talk no, sir, like May 4th exam has been completed,
Yes,
like
yes.
2025 exam.
Yes, yes.
But the student's age is 16.
Yeah, yeah.
But if we see no, like before 31st, his age should her age should be 17.
First-
That's the
Yeah,
meaning
yeah.
of this.
Something like at the time of the exam, he might be having 16 years 9 months.
Yes.
Yes. But the during the at the time
Yeah,
of the
at the time-
admission,
yeah.
so he should fill this 17 years age criteria.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is the
So
main.
the maximum age is like there is no upper limits.
Yes. Yes.
The qualification is like 10th and 12th. Like 10th plus 12th are equivalent with physics, chemistry, biology, or biotech.
So that person should complete it the 12th
10th and
grade.
12th, yeah.
Okay.
So minimum mark is like for this is the for board examination.
Yes, yes.
Like unreserved means like 50%.
General.
Yeah, general.
Yeah.
So OBC, SC or ST 40% of the board examination, and PWD like 45% in PCB groups.
It
Okay.
means physics, chemistry, and biology.
Yes.
Okay. Both botany and zoology combined.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
And
attempt
attempt
limit. There is no restriction for this.
Yes. So you can give number of attempts as your like wish. Okay,
Yes.
some people are not able to clear within one attempt. Okay, after the 12th.
So not
they
able
will
to
be-
clear also, sir. Like people are aiming for the good colleges, no?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Like if in the first attempt they are getting some marks, but
Yes.
they are getting good colleges.
Yeah.
But still more they need to.
Yeah, something
people
like
are aiming
AIIMS.
for AIMS, JIPMER,
Yeah,
those
yeah,
kind of
yeah.
things, no?
Huh.
They need good marks, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they can take the drops also. Drop
Yeah.
year. It means after completion of their 11th and 12th,
Yes,
so
sir.
they can give their first attempt.
Yeah.
Okay. So if they are not clear, so they can go for 1 year long term program.
Yes.
It means 13th year is there now.
Yeah.
So they can take it as a only for preparation of this, and they can write one more attempt. Yeah.
Okay. So the purpose of the NEET UG is like to standardize admission in medical colleges across India.
Yes,
Like
yes,
all
yes.
over India, it's eligible.
Ha,
Okay.
ha,
To replace multiple entrance exams.
Yeah.
Like so, if we take
Previously, sir, we used to have different exams, state level entrance exams are there.
And
like
one more
for
thing,
example,
sir, yeah.
Telangana and AP students,
Mhm.
MSET exam is there.
Yes.
So something like different states are conducting their own entrance exam previously.
that's what, sir.
To
Yeah.
neutralize, centralize this,
Mhm.
yes, we have this single entrance exam. That is what the NEET UG.
Like not only for the private colleges, like government college, private college, including everything. Like
Yes,
it
yes.
will be replaced. Like it has been replaced. Okay.
Yeah.
So like there is a percentage of seats also
Ha, ha,
in
for
each
s-
colleges.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
To
So
ensure
again,
fair, transparent, and merit-based selection.
yes, yes.
Okay, to be mandatory qualifying exam for medical courses. Okay, so there is the mandatory for medical over
So
joining.
in India, if you wanted to do any medical course, yes, you need to attempt this exam at any cost.
Yeah.
Yes.
Need to get good
Uh,
score marks.
qualification,
Yeah.
qualify also, qualifying marks.
So could you
Okay.
explain the registration
Huh.
process?
So now they can go to this official website of NTA, NEET NTA.
Okay.
So this is the official website. They can register there. So while registration, they need to provide the personal contact and identification details.
Yes.
Okay. So whatever the website is asking, you need to fill that. Okay. So and after that, so you can also give this academic details and exam center preference, all those things.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the documents you need to upload during your application process. Okay. So these are the recent passport size signature,
left
and
hand
left
or thumb
thumb
impression,
impression.
and category certificate.
Yes.
Yeah, this is important, guys. Category
Yeah.
certificate is important.
Like-
Like next is PWD certificates.
Yeah.
So the fee payment, for general it is 1,700,
Yeah.
and OBC that is 1,600,
600.
and SC, ST or PWD that is 1,000.
1,000.
So
Okay,
foreign
foreign
national it
national,
is 9,500. So it's
One-
update, like
yeah.
it's the latest update. So the update may be changed for the next upcoming
so
years.
we are providing this as per the 2025 NEET
Yeah. In this
criteria.
also, like for registration process also, like 2025th we have provided. For upcoming year, any changes are coming, we'll make one more video
Yes.
and we'll provide you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Then next, after successive completion, you can take a screenshot of it, or otherwise you can download a confirmation page as a printout. Okay, this is after the application of NEET. Okay.
Yes.
So the next, what is the NEET UG syllabus? Yes. So this is like whatever you have studied for 11th and 12th.
12th,
So
yeah.
complete your CBSE 11th, 12th syllabus is there now for like PCB background. I mean.
Simple,
physics,
sir. As
chemistry,
simple
and
as possible. If we
biology.
say no, like for 11th who are coming, no,
Yeah.
there will be a basic of 10th, no.
Yes,
Similarly, like for whoever going for NEET examination,
Yes, yes.
there's a basic for 11th and 12th.
Yeah. So that will be given, and for this official, so you can you can follow this standard book as this NCERT is your standard reference
Yes.
book for complete preparation of this NEET. Okay.
So the
And-
examination pattern will be like it's a pen and paper, it's offline,
Offline
mode.
mode.
So duration is 3 hours, that
Yes.
is 180 minutes.
Yes,
so
yes.
type is mostly MCQs only, like there is no object like
Yeah. So completely
theory
these
based.
MCQ
Yeah.
questions, and previously till this 2024 there are 200 questions and 5 questions. I mean, like here I have mentioned 180 to be attempted now. So it means previously it is like each subject now we have 45 questions only,
Yes.
sir. Previously
It is
up to
like 50.
2024
Yeah.
we have 50 questions. 5 questions are extra,
Yes.
like optional.
Yes.
Now that thing
has
is
been
not there.
removed.
Yes. So now we are doing it like a pre-COVID.
Yes.
Okay. During the COVID period, we have this
Given
new
the optional, yeah.
So now we again went to pre-COVID, and the exam level toughness also went similar to the pre-COVID.
Pre-COVID, yes.
Yes.
And the total mark, no, like if each question carries 4 marks plus 4 marks. If you are answering good, like
Yeah.
correct answer.
Yeah.
Like if you are answering incorrect, no, it will be minus
Minus
1.
one. So total 180 questions to be attempted in 180 minutes.
So the maximum mark is 720.
720 plus 4 for each correct,
Yeah.
minus 1 for incorrect. Okay.
So the subjects are like physics, chemistry, biology. That is botany plus zoology.
Yes. Huh.
So language offered.
So you can write in 13 languages. You can choose, I mean, you can choose based on your own interest, like
Convenience,
English,
yeah.
okay, or your mother language if you are from Telugu. Yes, you can use
You
for
can use,
Telugu.
yeah.
So like that we have 13 languages as
And
you
no need to
mentioned.
worry, like whatever languages are provided, it's combined with English also. Like English and Hindi will be
Yes,
provided,
yes,
English and Telugu, English and Tamil,
Like
like this they will provide. Okay.
But standard official confirmation will be, whatever the errors will be there, that will be taken as a finalization from English
English only,
language
yes,
only.
yeah. So the counseling process.
So here we have two types of quotas.
Yes,
One
sir.
is all India quota and as well as state quota.
Yeah.
Okay. So for example, in every state there will be like n number of colleges. So depending upon the state to state, number of seats varies, number of government and private medical colleges also varies now. So in order to give these seats to their local people, yes, here we have state quota and central quota.
Yes.
So state quota is 85%
And
and central
central
quota
quota
is
is
all
15%.
India quota is 15%. So in every state, for example, let us say Telangana,
Yes.
and here we have Gandhi Medical College we have.
Yeah.
Okay, so in these 100, for example, there are 100 seats. So in these 100 seats, 85 seats are for
Telangana state.
yeah, like that you can understand.
Yes.
Okay, basic idea I am giving. So 15% seats are for
Like
All
non
India
states,
quota.
like non-state people. Like
All India
if
quota.
Telangana is there, other than Telangana, they will provide 15 seats.
I mean, all India quota means it is completely depend upon the their like marks,
Marks also,
ranks.
yes, obviously.
Yeah, that.
So next is seats availability.
Yeah.
Like first we'll see what are the courses are available. MBBS, BDS, Ayush, BSc Nursing, BVS and like animal husbandry.
Yeah. So here, so totally we have almost 1,18,190 seats are there.
It's
so
approximate seats only.
Yeah. So these
Yeah.
numbers may varies also because new college may be added
Yeah,
year by
obviously.
year. Yes. So depending upon that, some new courses, colleges may be listed here. So number of seats may also varies.
Yes.
Okay. This is approximate data for all this BDS, Ayush and all. Okay. Yeah. So the next, what is the final note here we can give, sir?
So NEET UG is mandatory for medical, like
All-
that's what we have seen in the first slide itself. Like it's mandatory for medical.
Yeah. So in order to take a medical course admission in India, NEET UG is mandatory for everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
So success depends on the NEET NCERT knowledge. Like whatever you are preparing for 11th and 12th, you should be thorough with that and mock practice. Like whatever questions are you can able to do, like previous year questions. You do more PYQs.
Yes,
Then
yes.
time
Time
management is
management.
most important thing
Yeah.
when you are writing competitive examination. Like not only NEET, whatever competitive examination you are
Yeah.
writing.
So in order to get succeed in your NEET 2026 or NEET 2027, so what your preparation should be? So you should have a very good grip on this NEET NCERT books, okay, like physics, chemistry and biology. And then next, mock test should be given by you. See, once after getting proper knowledge on every of this topic,
Yes.
included in these NCERT books, you should give proper number of mock tests. You should get a proper practice
Yes.
of these questions, and during this time you need to maintain your time so that will be useful in the final exam.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the final tips.
Yeah. So what are your requirements here you required during your preparation? The first thing is
Focus
you
on
should focus on
NCERT.
NCERT books first. Okay, and along with these books, so you can prepare using previous year questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Obviously.
So yeah. So join a structured learning program and test
Test
series.
series.
Yes. So what is the use of this joining a structured learning program and test series? See, so you are preparing from NCERT, right? So you need a proper guide who can guide you for this process of learning.
Yes.
Yes. This is a very mandatory thing,
Obviously,
right?
so like whenever we are going to schools or colleges, no, there
Yeah.
will be some timetable
Yeah.
to follow.
Yes, yes.
Similarly, there is a timetable to follow for NEET also. That's what learning program or test series will say.
That
Yeah.
should be there in a structured manner. Okay, so for considering this from our team, that is from NEET World, from
Yeah.
our team, the NEET World is providing. See, we are launching a new batch on June 15th. Okay, and you know the second batch we are again launching
It's
on
on
July 1st.
Yeah, July
Okay,
1st.
July 1st for those who are aiming to join. I mean,
NEET.
aiming to
NEET
crack this
2026.
NEET 2026 and NEET 2027.
Seven.
Okay, and you know even these long-term students also can join here based on their interest.
Yeah, it's only
okay?
for not long term itself. Sir.
Yeah.
Like we are going to intake as 11th as well as 12th.
12th,
That's
yes.
why we are saying 26 as well as 27.
27.
Yeah.
Yes. So now, so here we will be giving you proper structured plan for both 2026 students and 2027 students.
Yeah.
Okay. So this includes everything. We will be providing
Material.
like very quality
Yeah, good
materials.
materials.
Okay. So this will be useful when you are preparing along with your NCRT. Yes, these materials are very recommended
Yes.
while your preparation. Okay. And we will be giving you one structured test
This
series. Once we complete the chapter, yes, we will be providing the part test, full test, everything is given in a very structured manner.
Yes,
That
one
will be
like
very useful.
for every 2 weeks there will be an examination.
Yes.
And for every 2 examination, like for every 2 week, let me consider like formative test.
Formative test.
So for every 2 formative tests, there is a one
Cumulative
CT,
test.
cumulative test. Yes.
So like that, we will be having lot of programs here. So those who are in 11th class, okay, those who are going to 11th class, yes,
And
they
go-
can be
yeah.
also join. And
The-
those who are moving for 12th,
12th,
yes,
they
they
can
are
also join.
also having separate batch, okay. And those who completed 11th, 12th,
And
and they are looking for
dropouts,
dropper.
yes.
Yes, they have a separate batch which we are launching on these 2 dates. One is on June 15th
15th and
and
July 1st.
1st. Okay, so you just do one thing is just in the comment box and in the description box you will be having the details, contact details. Yes, you can contact us and you can talk to our team.
Yes.
Okay, and one more thing here, what you need to do, revise every day. Okay, analyze your mock performance. Okay, so if you are doing your self preparation, again one more thing I am saying, along with this I wanted to suggest you one more thing. If you are doing your self preparation, so that day, so you can take the help of our YouTube channel, so where we are coming up with something, a new course. Okay, so Vignesh sir, just tell us about this special course which we are launching soon in the YouTube for
Yes, sir.
free access.
Sir, no need to worry about that. Like we are going to solve like n number of questions.
Yes.
Like top 10,000 questions, like, for example. So we are going to solve top 1,000 questions
Yes.
as well as top 50 important topics.
Yes.
Okay. For NEET. Like for example, if students are having difficulties in chemistry as well as physics, no, you need to aim 140 plus. Yes sir,
Yes.
like minimum 140 plus. Look,
Yes.
so if we take top important topics, no, he can able to solve it.
Yes.
And then 100 days marathon is there for
Yes.
physics as well as chemistry.
So we are going to launch 100 days marathon. So where we will be doing complete important topics for
topics.
this upcoming NEET. Okay, so this is just you, what you need to do, just click on the subscribe button, and I will be showing you Telegram channel. There you can join with us, and we will be updating you what our class timings.
Where chemistry will be taken by Ajay sir,
Yes.
and physics will be taken by myself.
Yes, and you know, along with us, our bio teachers will also join with us
Yes.
in this 100 days program.
Mm.
Okay, so this will be the very useful one. So for this, if you wanted to know about class updates, yes, you can join our Telegram channel also. Okay, so I will show you the link at the end. Okay, so this
This is
code,
the-
QR code you can scan.
Yeah.
It will direct you to the
Telegram group.
channel. Okay, so you
So
can
if
join.
you are having any
Queries.
like queries, you can call to this number. Like there will be one-on-one contact, like doubt clarification with either chemistry faculty or physics faculty.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
So this is about the session. I hope you got some basic idea
About NEET
about NEET
2026.
2026 and 2027.
Seven.
Okay, so this is exclusively for whom? So we have given this for those who completed 10th class and they are
Move
really
forward to the 11th classes.
those who are really looking for knowing some basic information. Yes, this is the basic information you need to know now. Yes, now you should feel that you know some information and you need to start your preparation somehow.
Yes.
Okay, and you can proceed with the preparation. So during this time you can clear your further doubts. If you have any doubts, yes, that will be cleared out easily.
Yeah.
Okay,
If you are having any doubts, no, you can give in the comment boxes. We'll clarify it.
yeah, we will address those right in the comment box. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, guys.
Keep learning.